Oh, hey y'all. Don't mind me. I'm just kind of remembering my last meal before I had this detox. But look at it. Just look at it, y'all. Wow. Mouth watering. So yummy. Oh, it was so yummy. So I've been on this snapback journey since about 22 months now. You know, mommies with toddlers, they don't say years, they say months. Anywho, she's almost 2 years old. Or maybe I've been snapbacking since this guy here, who will be almost 4 years old. Either way, your girl been on this fitness journey for quite some time here. And this time, I just feel like I have hit a wall. I am like so sluggish, constipated, and bloated. That midsection, honey, has literally just been like at the mommy pudge for a very, very long time. Despite the working out I've been doing, well, I can't lie, this snack life from quarantine life and the holidays, they might be the reason why, but still, I need to get rid of this bloating. So, never done a fasting before, well, a raw fasting or a juice fasting, but decided, you know what, let's try something and see if it helps. Let's take it easy, go in slow, and let's maybe do like a 1 day raw, 1 day juice, and another day back to raw food. So in total, just 3 days. Straight up fruits, veggies, and nuts. A whole bunch of nuts. So during this cleanse, there will be no processed food and nothing cooked at all. So come on and let me take you day by day. Prepping meals and setting time frames for intake makes things so much smoother. The more you're able to do this the day before, makes the next day a breeze. Good morning, y'all. Going into work. It's Sunday. Got my smoothie ready from last night. Blended it up. So let's get this day started. Raw day number 1. Oh, I forgot to clock out. God dang it. Alright, so I am done with my shift for today, from 7 to like 1:30. So what is that, like 6.5 hours? And all I had was my smoothie. Still got maybe like a quarter left. Half day update. I have yet to really eat like a complete meal, because I ended up going to the store after work to get some rest of the items that I need. And then when I came home, kids, they were just on 1,000. Now I'm like starving. So I'm hoping they can play a little bit and then I'll go inside and try to make something to eat. But note to self, make sure food is already prepared prior to, so you're not tempted to eat other stuff. Because Lord have mercy, I was in Target ready to eat a cookie or some chips. You hear me? Finally, we are having dinner, which is raw tacos. The base is walnuts, mushrooms, and sun-dried tomatoes. Throw your seasonings in there and put it in the processor and just blend that bad boy up. Then add your toppings. We did guacamole, cashew cheese, and salsa. Good morning, y'all. It is water and juice fast day. Pray for me, please. This day I knew would be the toughest of them all, so I planned on alternating between water and juice every 2 hours, having at least 16 to 20 ounces of it. Each day I did a comparison to the day before. My first juice of the day, and I was so happy to have it. Oh my God. Ooh, them hunger pains was hitting, y'all. But then as soon as I drink something, then it's not so bad for an hour. And then I have to go and find something else to drink. What y'all doing? Santa, put that back in the garbage. You starving, Omar? Huh? Daddy hungry. That's your stomach? So, what did you think about your fast?
It's okay.
Swiper. You're just hungry. So, okay, how do you feel like after you drink something when you're hungry? Are you still hungry?
I'm not really hungry.
Really? I'm hungry. So what time you said you leave?
I thought today golden milk.
So we only doing 24 hours?
I'm only doing 24 hours. You can do 36 hours if you want.
I'm having a meal.
Mom, I'm going to eat these wings.
All right, you ready?
Yeah. Hey, come right away!
Oh, well, can I get it back? Can I get it back? Jeez. Why you have to look into the camera? You want cheers? Hold it. Hold cheers with Daddy. Come. You cheer with Daddy. Okay, so here's this concoction that my husband is coming up with. We had to make our own dressing for the salad we were about to eat. So he thought of just throwing some garlic, guacamole, salsa juice, and some lemon. And I was like, you know what, babe? Put some oil up in there just to make our own dressing. And we just put that on top of the salad with walnut meat. To end the night, we had these walnut energy balls for dessert, and it was so yummy. So yummy. Good morning. This is the final day. But Omar say he done. Omar say he over at what time today? 7 o'clock. And whatever he gonna eat is gonna be good. What you gonna make? Good morning. Thank you for doing that thing, shouty.
Curry chicken feet.
Oh yeah. Oh, okay, yeah. 7 o'clock. That's when we're gonna actually cook food, right?
I'm a cook food. I don't know if you cook. You say so. You go ahead.
Yeah, I think I might try this thing a couple of more days. Omar said, well, at least I appreciate you trying. Asking all the questions. Can I have this? Can I have that? Even though I was over here tempted to eat everything. You know, it's getting hard when you're like making food with the kids. Cause boy, I was tempted to touch a fry. One of those waffle fries. Oh man. Have a great day at work. Here's update on day 2. Little less bloating and a little bit more definition in the abs, if you can see. How do you feel about dragon fruit? Do you like it?
Yeah.
Pretty yummy, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And pretty yum and pretty juicy.
Oh yeah, it is juicy. That for sure.
Yummy and juicy.
Such a character. Well, it really is yummy and juicy. Yo! 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 Here's what I had throughout the day: chickpea tuna salad, leftover energy balls, and quinoa and lentils. Good morning. We are on the last, well, yesterday was the last day of the fast, and I just got done, doing what it does after all this cleansing. And I must say, boy, has it been cleansing. Here are the results of the 3-day fast. As you can see, less bloating, a little bit more defined in the midsection. From here, I decided, you know what, let's go ahead and continue for a week and see what happens. So at this point, no meat, no dairy, no snacks, and only allowing cooked or raw plant-based items, fresh water and juice, and minimum carbs. Here are some randoms of the week. Curry chickpea and quinoa, a little bowl with zucchini, salsa, mango, and avocado. A stuffed red pepper with quinoa, lentils, walnut meat, cashew cheese, and sun-dried tomatoes. And my favorite one of them all, loaded fries. This thing is loaded with waffle fries, walnut meat, jalapenos, and cashew cheese. As you can see, a lot of things were kind of repetitive, but things were just mix and match, and it just gave a new flavor to every new dish. So one of the things I did not address is, should you work out during a fast? And things you want to take and consider is that you may be running on low calorie intake and energy, and these can cause risk for medical complications. Instead of doing any hardcore exercises, I decided to stick with a short routine of performing ab exercises to address my core, and then a few leg exercises as well. Every now and then, I went walking with my kids around the block. Let's just say this detox was a success. It was definitely challenging, but the results were so gratifying, to the point where I felt like I may have to just try this every month. Just do a detox for just 3 days at least. I may not have to extend it the whole week, just to give my body that reboot it needs, just to cleanse everything out. So hopefully this video has given you guys some tips, give you some motivation to maybe just jumpstart your healthy routine, or for those who've been feel like they've been hitting a wall like I was, maybe this will be a reboot for you guys and help you to see some results, because it definitely helped out. So thanks for watching. Toodaloo.